This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and OS so the method matches. Enable developer options when required and allow mock locations. This gives apps permission to set a fake GPS. Then install a reputable location spoofing app or use a VPN app that includes location override from the official store. Once done, revoke location access for apps that might interfere, and briefly toggle airplane mode to reset the radio. This reduces cached GPS data and helps the spoof take effect. You now pick the precise spot you want your phone to appear from. Type an address or drop a pin using coordinates. Make sure to tweak accuracy, and if you need movement, set speed and route simulation so services see realistic behavior. Next, switch the mock location provider to your app inside developer options and start the spoof. Keep the app running in foreground or allow background location updates so the fake GPS persists while you open the app that should read the new position. Finish by checking the changed position in a Maps app and then open the target service to confirm it reads the spoofed coordinates. Sometimes a restart of that app is required. If detection or errors occur, clear the target app cache, toggle location permissions, and relaunch. Make sure the spoofing app has background permission. Also avoid unrealistic instant jumps and disable other location services like Wi-Fi location to reduce conflicts. These steps prevent detection and ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.